In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Stripe payments. Begin by signing in to your Stripe dashboard. Once you are logged in, you will land on the home page. This is where you can review your account overview and see key information about your Stripe activity. Take a moment to confirm that everything looks correct before moving forward. Next, go to the left-hand navigation menu and click Payment Links. This section allows you to create a shareable link that customers can use to pay online. On the Payment Links page, click Create Payment Link to begin. You will now choose what your customer will be paying for. You can select an existing product if you already have one set up in Stripe. If not, create a new product by entering the necessary details, such as the product name and price. Once the product is selected, continue to the Payment Setup page. On this screen, review the payment details carefully. Make sure the correct product, amount, and any other required information are displayed. You can also configure optional checkout settings here, depending on how you want the payment experience to work for your customers. This may include options related to the checkout page or customer information collection. After everything looks correct, click Create Link. Stripe will then generate a payment link for that product or service. Copy the link so you can use it wherever you need to collect payment. Once the link is copied, share it with your customers. You can send it through email, messaging, social media, or add it to your website, depending on how you want customers to complete their purchase. When customers open the link, they will be taken to Stripe's hosted checkout page, where they can enter their payment details and complete the transaction online. To keep track of your incoming payments, return to the left-hand navigation menu and click Payments. This section shows your recent transactions and payment activity. As payments come in, you can monitor their status directly from this page. If you want to review a specific transaction, open any completed payment from the list. This will show you the transaction details and the payment status, so you can confirm that the payment was successfully processed and review any related information. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.